Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of a Grass Green Machine 2 hinge boring and insertion machine. This particular machine was made by Burl Industries for grass. It is 110 volts, runs off of 90 psi of air. It's an older model, but it is really in great shape and really a great workhorse, as you'll see as I demonstrate this. And what's nice about this unit is it comes with two different insertion dies. This first die is for the Grass Tiomos brand of hinges. This is your European style frameless cabinetry hinge. It also comes with this hinge insertion die, which is the Grass Tech, T-E-C, Tech version of hinges. These are your economical grade hinges for face frame cabinetry. You can pick these up for less than $1 a piece. You can also get quiet close, get them in a couple of different degree openings and several different overlays, so really a nice economical choice. So this machine is great because it will do both frameless and face frame cabinetry. Also comes with this extension fence with two flip stops. But on the machine already is your main top and bottom flip stops. It also has this sliding scale right here. This sliding scale controls the fence, and what it does is it slides in and out, of course, to set your overlay properly for where you want the cup to be bored into your door. This scale and adjustment right here, as you can read, adjusts for the door thickness. This is how far the spindles will drill into your workplace or for how thick your door is. The valve above it is to control how quickly the spindle drops into the door. And this valve right here on the other side controls the speed and action of the pneumatic clamps. Now we're going to give you a front row seat here and give you a quick demonstration of these. This is just a piece of thermal fused laminate that we're going to use for our example today. With these flip stops, they're so nice because you go over the top of one, slide over to this, and all you have to do is hit your green button and you're done. It'll do everything for itself. Load your next hinge in. And there it is, ready to go. In a minute, I'm going to go ahead and show you this second insertion die and show you how it works with the Tech hinges. Okay, and we're back. We've got this new insertion die installed. You can see all you have to do to install this new insertion die is these two Allen head bolts. They're 1/4 inch Allens, and you're ready to install the Tech hinges. One of the things I do want to point out to you is this plastic fence right here does not work with every hinge. And if you look at this one, we've got a problem there. The hinge won't pass by that fence. Well, luckily for us, based on what we need to do, this whole fence assembly can be removed. Then you can swing this down without a problem. So in this particular, with this particular hinge, this back fence won't work, but you've still got the metal fence on both sides, and that's what you're really going for anyways. I'm going to set you here, see if you can get a front row seat. And we'll run a few. Okay, and just like before, thermofused laminate, slide it in up to your stops. And there you go. Now you've got your Tech hinges installed. Like I said before, these can be done with soft close, with a couple of different overlays, with different degree settings. So really nice, versatile face frame hinge. Also, the other thing I don't think I mentioned before is that this is a grass machine, so it works off of Grass's 42mm pattern on the spindles. So you've got 42mm for your pattern on these, but it does use the standard 35mm cup bore and the standard 8mm dowlers for your hinges. If you have any questions about this machine, contact me, Steve at scscustomwoodworks.com.